About Terraform installation and how to declare Terraform variables. So Terraform is a infrastructure management or automation tool used for provisioning different resources inside cloud providers like AWS, Azure, OpenStack and DigitalOcean. So Terraform uses a language called HashiCorp configuration language for infrastructure as code. So first thing we need to do is we need to download the Terraform. So for that I am going to the site called terraform.io. So this is the official site of Terraform. Now go to the download section, scroll down. Here you can see the binary or the jar file for different operating system. So mine is Windows 64-bit, so I am going to download the zip file for this one. So I have already downloaded this zip file and I have already extracted the zip file, and I have created a new folder called Terraform, and inside that I have kept the terraform.exe file. So this is the main file. So next step what we have to do is we have to set the environment variable. So for that we need to go to the system environment variable, then click on this one. Okay, now go to the path, edit, and here you need to mention the path of the terraform.exe file. So based on the folder you have created, you need to mention that folder name. So next step is we need to check the Terraform version, or the configuration is properly installed or not. So let me go to the command prompt, then I can check for the version by using the command terraform version. Okay, there is a mistake in the spelling. So terraform version. So yep, so if you see I am using Terraform version 0.12.25. so great. So now I am going to show you some demo of Terraform variables and how to create a variable, how to call the variable. So for that I am going to use Visual Studio Code. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to File, then Preference, then Extension. So you need to install the Terraform plugin here. So if you see the first one, Terraform 1.4.0, I have already installed it. So now let me just create a Terraform file. Let's say I will name it example.tf. So remember here all the Terraform file has the extension of .tf. So I have created a new file. Now next step is I need to declare a variable. So for that I have to write the keyword variable, and it expects a name. So I am going to give the name of the variable as cloud. Next I need to define what is the type of the variable. Type. So here cloud is of type string. So third step is what is the value I want to give for this variable. So for that I need to use the tag default, and I need to place the value. Let's say I am going to use hi, I am AWS cloud. Great. Let's save it. So this is my variable. So next step is how to invoke this variable. So for that there is a command called Terraform console. So before that you have to remember whenever you want or you try to call a variable, so you have to be inside the Terraform console. So in console you can run all the HCL commands. So I am using, so here I need to call the variable cloud. So for calling that variable var dot, I have to use the name of the variable. So in my case I have given the value as the key as cloud, or the variable name as cloud. So var.cloud. So yep, if you see, I am getting the value, hi, I am AWS Cloud. Similarly, few more variables are there. So another one is a map. Similarly, again I am declaring a variable. Let's say I am going to give this name as cloud map. The type will be map and the default value. So now map is a key value pair, so I need to provide both key and value. So here let's say the key is name, the value is, let's say I am giving Azure Cloud. Great. So now again I am going to call the cloud map variable. So the command is var.cloud map. Press enter. Now you can see the both the key and value. Now let's say I want to print only the value. So for that the command will be var.cloud map of name of the key, that is called your name. Enter. So you can see I got the output where it is displaying the value. So now if you want to move out of the Terraform console, then just type exit. So you will come out from the Terraform console. So the third example which we are going to discuss is variable of type list or list variable. So similarly, let's say I'll give the name as cloud list. So as usual, that type will be of list type, and the default value I am going to give, let's say I am going to give some numbers 1 2 3 4. I'm going to save it. Now again I need to go inside the Terraform console. Now I need to call the cloud list variable. So var.cloud list. Enter. So you can see I got the values. Now let's say I want only the first value of the list. So for that the command will be var.cloud list of 0. Enter. So if you see I got the value as 1. So these are all the examples of type, string type, map type and list type. So in the next video I am going to show you how to spin up a EC2 instance in AWS Cloud using Terraform. Thank you for watching my video.